Hi, I'm Leander Pace. In the next half hour, I'm going to be bringing you 6 incredible stories of unsung heroes from the east of India. This is CNN IBN series of Real Heroes. In life, we fight to live with respect and dignity. Perhaps nobody knows this better than the children born into the red light areas of India. Our next hero is a young brave girl from Bihar. She proudly calls herself the daughter of a red light area. This is about her fight for identity and how she lives to get it.
In 2002, a police raid in Chaturbhuj, the red light area of Bihar's Muzaffarpur town, became one girl's wake-up call. 17-year-old Nashima saw how the cops arrested and harassed not just sex workers, their children were also not spared. Nashima, daughter of a sex worker, decided to fight back.
मतलब अगर इस रेड लाइट एरिया का मुद्दा है तो ये लड़ाई भी रेड लाइट एरिया की बेटी, यहाँ की धंधे वाली औरतें, नाचने वाली औरतें, इनकी ही होनी चाहिए। मगर प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए मुझे जहाँ मैं ये कह सकूं कि जी हाँ, मैं रेड लाइट एरिया की बेटी हूँ।
25 girls, all daughters of sex workers, have joined Nashima in chorus. Together, they formed Parcham.
मान, सम्मान और अधिकार, ये तीनों चीज हमारे मेन लक्ष्य में है।
Alley to alley, door to door.
कौन से क्लास में पढ़ के छोड़ दी?
Nashima convinced every family in the area against forcing their children into the profession. Soni's mother, herself a sex worker, was scared that Soni had no option but to follow her into the profession.
और भी तो कोई चारा नहीं है, हम जाएं तो जाएं कहाँ? इसलिए कि हम लोग बदनाम आदमी हो गए।
दूसरा लड़की की तरह नहीं कि उसको पढ़ाई नहीं कराना है।
Nashima gave Soni that chance.
कोचिंग में एडमिशन करा था, फिर उसके बाद स्कूल जाना है।
Today she's studying at an open school and preparing for her class 10th examinations.
जब हम पढ़ाई लिखाई करके मैं अपनी अच्छी जिंदगी जीना चाह रही हूँ, इसमें आने के कुछ सवाल ही नहीं है।
For those who are already in the profession like Neelam Kumari, Nashima's demand is for a performance license that would safeguard them from the police pimp nexus.
यही हमारा प्राथमिकता होता है कि उनके पहचान को कोई ठेस न पहुंचे और ये जो उनकी कला है उसको लेकर वो शर्मिंदगी महसूस ना करेगी।
One of Nashima's biggest challenge has been to usher in a secure future for retired sex workers.
लोग क्या है कि कुछ उम्र बीतने के बाद या तो किसी के यहाँ दाई के काम करेंगे, चूल्हा चौका।
Thanks to Nashima, Sita Dadi and others like her are now part of a project called Ujala, where retired sex workers are rehabilitated. From computer training to undergraduate classes, the Parcham now has a presence in 25 districts of Bihar. Nashima and her gang of girls also reach out to the outside world through Jugnu, India's only magazine completely handwritten by those living in the red light areas. The biggest headline in Jugnu this week is the wedding of Muzaffarpur's bravest girl. Nashima tied the knot with a social worker, Hansraj. Here they are, seeking the blessings of Muzaffarpur's Sufi saint, Kambal Shah.
मेरे ससुराल वाले ने सब कुछ जानते हुए मुझे एक्सेप्ट किया।
नहीं, हमारा किसी समाज को ये मैसेज देना है कि हमने एक रेड लाइट एरिया की लड़की से शादी की है। मैं इसे प्यार करता था और मैंने शादी की है।
Nashima knows that her marriage has a much larger meaning for hundreds of girls like her who were born with a stained identity.